Portable Mini Vaporizers Machine, Handheld Steam Inhaler by UERMEI is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Handheld size, Handheld Vaporizers Machine, convenient to carry and use wherever you are. Maximum effective, fully effective atomization, particle size. 1-5 low medication waste, minimize waste 0, 1 milliliter, greatest drug delivery way, especially for albuterol. Easy operation, only one button for the cool mist inhaler, easy to use. Kit with 2 mask zone for adults, 1 for kids, plus 1 mouthpiece, with 2 atomization modes, mouthpiece and mask atomization, suitable for all ages. 2 power supply, package with 1 USB cable, or can use 2x AA batteries, not included, convenient for travel or any place you are. Safe and guarantee. Sleek vaporizer with high technology atomization, low noise, less than 25 decibels, the material with high qualified material, totally safe for health.